Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Learning Arabic. So new article for today. So this is the article Al-Islam fi Kosovo. It's a bit long article. There are consists of many paragraphs here. And in this video I just want to read one paragraph, this one. Okay. So I found still the same, many new words for me. This one not new actually. For this one I just forgot 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yeah, okay. I will read the Arabic version first, and then after that I will translate into English. Okay, let's start now. Al-Islamu fi Kosovo. تقع كوسوفو في يوغوسلافيا السابقة في شبه جزيرة البلقان في أوروبا وهي زاوية بعيدة من جنوب شرق أوروبا، وتعد كوسوفو واحدة من أكثر الدول غرابة في العالم، حيث أن معظم مواطنها مسلمون، وهو أمر غريب في أوروبا. وسنتحدث في هذا المقال عن وصول الإسلام إلى هذه الدولة وطبيعة المسلمين فيها. Now the English translation. Al-Islam fi Kosovo. Islam in Kosovo. Tako, located. Kosovo located. Fi Yugoslavia, in Yugoslavia, as-sabiqah, former Yugoslavia. Fi Shibhi Jazira, peninsula, in peninsula. Al-Balkan, peninsula Balkan. Fi Uruba, in Europe. Wahia zawiyatun ba'ida, and it is corner. Ba'ida, far, mean distant corner. Min janubi syarqi, janub south, syarqi is southeast Uruba, southeast of Europe. Wa tu'addu Kosovo considered wahida as one of min aksarid dwal, one of many cities. Gharaba here is strange or weird. Fil alam, in the world. Haitsu anna mu'zamah mawatiniha, as most of the people, the citizen, Muslim. So Kosovo considered as the most strange country, the most strange city in the world, because most of the citizen Muslim. Wa huwa amrun gharib, and it is a strange thing. Fi Uruba, in Europe. Wa sanatahaddath fi hadzal maqal, and we will talk in this article and about wasulil Islam, the arrival of Islam, ila hadhihi dawlah, to this city, wa tabi'ah, and the nature, al-muslimin, of Muslim, fiha, in this city. Okay, I remember all the new words here. Okay, I think enough for now. For the next video, we go to the next paragraph. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.